Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video and happy CVS Sunday. I hope you guys are having a terrific day, or whenever you may be watching this. I may have this up a little later than normal, so you guys may not be watching this till Monday, but happy CVS week. It's a new sales week at CVS. We are here to do some of the deals. It is a slower week. Obviously, I think last week the good week? I think so. Last week was the week that popped off because we got the beauty bucks and we were doing some splurging. This week's a little slower. We had the spend 40 back. I'm not messing with the spend 40 this week. We have the big epic hair event, which is the CRT we all get to our account. Spend 60, get $15 off. You don't want to use any threshold CRTs with that unless you're going over the $60 in hair care plus however much you have to meet for the second threshold you're wanting to use. We know this. That's not really sticking out to me too much because there's not many hair care deals a part of that where the CRT will come off that has extra bucks promotions, and I want rewards back. I don't just want to grab hair care and pay something. I think I am doing one hair care scenario with that spend 60 get 15 off on my side account, but it's going to turn out super well. You guys will see all the deals. Before we get in here, I did have some beauty bucks show up last week at the beginning of the week. I think Monday or Tuesday after I filmed my haul, I had more beauty bucks show up. I got $7 back on my main account and $2 back on my side account. So we're going to play around with that today. That's free money because it was never counted as a reward earned. And it was like a little present. I don't know. I don't know why they're still showing up at this point. So I'm not going to question it. We're going to take it and run with it. So that is that. I think there's no other new updates, just kind of a slower week, but we're still going to come out on top. And yeah, if you just found my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you are here to coupon with me at CVS today. My name is Abby. I love couponing at CVS, Walmart. We go to WALGREENS sometimes, Dollar General. We go to all the stores that I think there's deals worth going to. So I'd love if you consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. We are going to go ahead and get into the store and grab some deals. So we are going to start with my side account today, and we're looking at the Covergirl deal that is buy two, get back a $6 extra buck. This deal is a limit of one. I'm actually going to pair this deal in with a spend 30, get $6 off, so it'll be a lot cheaper. However, if you were to do it by yourself, go ahead and grab two of the brow pencils at $6.29 each. We're going to use a $4 instant coupon that we all got this week at the Redbox or on our accounts, a $3 printable coupon from coupons.com, also available as of today, and then a $3 digital coupon. So I'd be left to pay $2.58, get back a $6 extra buck, making it completely free, and a $3.42 moneymaker. I'm going to go ahead and do a hair care scenario using the spend 60 get $15 off select hair care CRT. We all received this in our CVS accounts this week, so just be aware of what hair care deals are included in using that CRT. So I'm going to go over everything I grabbed first and then the coupons. I'm going to start by grabbing two of the Clairols. They are included, and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. They are $8.49 each in my store. I'll also grab two of the Head & Shoulders on sale, two for $12 this week. I'm going to grab four of the L'Oreal Elvive on sale, two for $8 this week. When you spend $15, you'll get a $5 extra buck, hence why I'm grabbing four to get to $16. I'm going to grab two of the Garnier Whole Blends on sale, two for $7. And lastly, two of the Garnier Fructis, also on sale, two for $7. So this is how everything is looking like in our cart. So we are at $58.98, which is in the 98% of 60. To have that spend 60, get $15 off apply. So the whole blends, we went over them. They're two for $7. I have a 3 off 2 printable coupon from coupons.com and a 3 off 2 digital that should double dip. Garnier Fructis, also 2 for $7. I have a 3 off 2 printable, also from coupons.com, and we have a separate 3 off 2 digital that should double dip. The Clairol is buy two, get back a $3 extra buck at $8.49 each. I grabbed two of those. I have a 5 off 2 paper coupon from the 424 Smart Source and a 5 off 2 digital that should double dip, along with a 2 off of 2 Clairol CRT. The Elvive is on sale, two for $8 this week. When you spend $15, you'll get back a $5 extra buck. I grabbed four to get to $16 to go ahead and get the $5 extra buck back. I have a 5 off 3 digital I went ahead and sent to my card. We have 5 off 3 printables, however, they will not double dip because the value of the product is lower than the coupon amount. And lastly, we have Head & Shoulders on sale 2 for $12. I have a 3 off 2 digital coupon and a 3 off 2 paper coupon from the April P&G. I also have a 3 off of 3 hair care CRT. So all of that brings us down to paying $5.98 out of pocket. We'll get $5 back for the Elvive, $3 back for the Clairol. I'll submit to Ibotta for 60 cents back on each of the Head & Shoulders, making the final cost completely free and a $3.22 moneymaker. So an unadvertised deal this week is on some Snuggle and All Laundry Care. They are spend $20, get back a $5 extra buck, on sale $3.99 each this week. So I'm going to go ahead and put something together for this account, and we'll talk about it once I gather it all up. So I ended up grabbing 2 Snuggle dryer sheets, 2 Snuggle fabric softeners, and an all free and clear pods. So not to make it confusing, but I want to use that spend 30 get $6 off CRT I mentioned previously. I wanted to use it on the Covergirl, but I'm going to throw the Covergirl into the Snuggle and All scenario just because with the Snuggle and All by itself, we're shy of 30. Adding the Covergirl gets us to $32.53. So with the Snuggle items, I have 2 $1.50 coupons from the 410 save I'll use on the dryer sheets, a $1.50 coupon for the All pods, a $1.25 printable for one of the Snuggle fabric softeners, and a $1.25 digital that should attach to the other fabric softener. So like I said, we're adding in the Covergirl to this scenario. That should leave our out-of-pocket at $7.53. Actually, before I get ahead of myself, it'll be $9.53 for you if it aligns, like your CRTs and coupons align like mine. I'm counting it as $7.53 because I have $2 in beauty bucks on this account that is free money to me. So using that in this situation, I'd pay $7.53. I'd get back $6 from the Covergirl, $5 from the Snuggle, making this completely free and a $3.47 moneymaker for all those laundry goodies and that makeup. My last deal for this account is going to be on the Irish Spring and Soft Soap. They are buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck, limit of 3, and on sale for $4.99 each. So I'll go ahead and grab 2 Irish Spring and 2 soft soaps to get me to $19.96 so I can use a 4 off 18 body wash CRT. I have a $1 paper coupon for the soft soap as well as a $1 paper coupon for the Irish Spring. They come from today's Smart Source insert, the 424. I also have a $1 digital for the soft soap and a $1 digital for the Irish Spring. That should leave me to pay $11.96. We'll get back $8 in extra bucks for doing the deal twice, making the final cost $3.96 for all 4 or 99 cents a piece. So I'm going to go ahead and check out with this and finish this off on my side account so we can start and move on to the main account. So basically I'm dividing this up. The hair care, cosmetics, and laundry care products will all be one transaction, and soft soap by itself. Now, in case there's some confusion, because I'm using a spend 60 get 15 off on the hair care and then a spend 30 get $6 off for the laundry and Covergirl, I've met both thresholds where I can use both of them and they come off flawlessly. So we're going to go ahead, check out with this, and then go over the receipts and move on to a second account. So we just checked out with this and everything rang up correctly. Looking back at the receipt now, I noticed that I forgot to tell y'all with that Snuggle and All laundry scenario, I did use a 1 off 2 Snuggle fabric softener CRT. So that's also why the out-of-pocket for you would be $9.53 if you had those same coupons and CRTs. Forgot to mention that. I do apologize. But all the paper coupons scanned fine. All the double dips happened as expected. My CRTs came off. So I did roll $15 in extra bucks. I had $2 in free beauty bucks that did adjust itself down to $1.01 with a $0 subtotal. And I did get back all the extra bucks expected. We got back 5 for the laundry, 3 for the Clairol, 5 for the L'Oreal, and $6 for the Covergirl. So I think we should go ahead and move on to our second account because I think we made some decent money on this account. Actually, before I get ahead of myself, we did have another transaction, the Irish Spring and Soft Soap. So this one kind of worked out. We have the 2 $1 coupons. Those were my manufacturer coupons. They went through fine. The 4 off 18 body wash went through fine. However, my $1 digital for the Irish Spring and the $1 for the soft soap did not apply. I don't know why. I didn't scan the products in the app like I should have. Practice what you preach. So that was kind of funky. I ended up rolling $13 in extra bucks with a 96-cent subtotal, but I did get back the $8 in extra bucks. So that kind of stinks, but it is what it is. Moving on to my main account, I'm going to run the Covergirl deal again, just the same exact way I did as my side account. This will end up being a $3.42 moneymaker using the $3 digital, $3 printable, and $4 instant coupon. I did a Revlon scenario pretty similar last week, but this week I feel is a little bit better. Revlon is spend 12, get back a $4 extra buck. This is a limit of 6. So I'm going to grab one of these matte light lipsticks again, the lip crayons, $11.79. That does qualify to get the $4 extra buck back because it falls within the 98% of $12. So I held on to my $4 instant coupon that we all received last week on the 17th that I'll go ahead and use, and then use a $2 expired coupon from the 4-3 save, leaving me to pay $5.79. I'll get back $4 in extra bucks for doing the promotion and submit to my Ibotta for $5 back, making it a $3.21 moneymaker. So since I'm making a little bit of money today, I'm going to splurge and get some Huggies. This week they're buy one, get one half off. Spend 20, get back a $5 extra buck. I'm going to go ahead and stock up on some smaller sizes since I have a baby shower coming up. So I'm going to grab 2 of these Snug and Dries. They are $13.99 retail, so my half off one would be $6.99. I have a $2.50 digital coupon I'll go ahead and use. I'll be left to pay $18.48. We'll get $5 back for spending $20. I'll submit to the coupons.com app for a $2.50 reimbursement for the second Huggies I did not have a coupon for, and submit to Ibotta for $1 back on each of the Snug and Dry, making the final cost $8.98 or $4.49 each. To finish out this account and to get the heck out of CVS, we're going to do another spend 20, get back 5 on the All or Snuggle products. So for this scenario, I grabbed 2 of the fabric sheets and used 2 of the $1.50 coupons. I grabbed 1 of the fabric softeners, used a $1.25 printable, 1 of the scent shakes because that was all they had left, and use a $2 coupon. If you can find more scent shakes in your stores, definitely use those $2 coupons because they're higher value. And then I also grabbed 1 of the all free and clear pods and used a $1.50 coupon. I also have a $1 off of any all laundry detergent CRT. My out-of-pocket would be $11.20. We'll get back a $5 extra buck, making it $6.20. However, on this account as well, I have a spend 30, get $6 off, so I'm going to throw in the Covergirl, similar to what I did in my side account. So that would leave me to pay about $32, it would bring me to $32, I should say, for the Covergirl and the Snuggle. So using that 6 off 30 and all those coupons for the Covergirl and for the Snuggle and all products, we should be left to pay $7.78 out of pocket. We'll get back a total of $11 in extra bucks, making it a $3.22 moneymaker. Now I did have $7 in free Epic Beauty Bucks on this account. So ideally I would have liked to use that $7 in free money on the spend 30 scenario with the Covergirl and these laundry products. But you will see at the end of the video that my $7 beauty buck did lower itself drastically. Not sure why. I think it's my own fault because I probably miscalculated and did my math a little wrong. Some things in store were a little bit cheaper than had expected. We'll get more into detail about that when we get back to the car. We're going to go ahead and check out with this. I think today's haul is going to be fantastic. So much laundry, diapers, and cosmetics. So this wraps everything up. Let's go meet back in the car and talk about the transactions and final cost.
So we were out from CVS and everything went pretty good today. No issues with coupons except the soft soap, which it was funny because I was listening to my friend Erica over on Coupon Mode. I was listening to her YouTube video on the car ride here, and she mentioned that she had the digitals for the soft soap not attaching to anything. And I stupidly did not scan the products in store. I just wanted to get in and out today. And my digitals for soft soap did not come off. So I'm missing $2 worth of digitals for that. My paper coupons went through just fine, but that stinks. That ends up making the soft soap deal kind of pricier than what I would pay for soft soap and Irish Spring. Normally I'll pay maybe $1, but that's it. It's not worth more than that to me. And then I guess I figured my math wrong with my spend 30 get 6 off on my main account, because my $7 in free beauty buck money ended up lowering itself down to $3. I don't know how I did that. I swore that I figured it right. I don't know. But I mean, I'll probably have edited it by this point and figured out how I did it wrong to where it reduces value that much. I don't mind if it reduces value by like $1, but that's drastic. So I don't know what I did. I mean, I still had a $0 subtotal. I like a $0 subtotal, but I don't know what I did. But I mean, everything else turned out pretty good. I mean, it wasn't a bad day. I was in and out pretty fast today. So we're going to go over the last 2 receipts I did on my main account and then talk about final costs. So here is the first transaction I did on my main account with all of these Snuggle and all products, the Covergirl and the Revlon. So all of my coupons came off perfectly fine, all my paper coupons. I had a $3 digital for the Covergirl, my 6 off 30, my $4 instant coupon for Revlon and for Covergirl, and my $1 CRT for the all. So I did roll a $10 extra buck, and on this account I had $7 in beauty bucks as free money. However, it reduced itself down to $3.57, which is totally my fault because some things, I guess I did my math a little wrong, and it came out cheaper than expected. So I did lose quite a bit of value on that $7 beauty buck, which kind of stinks, but oh, it's okay. It's okay. We're not counting that $3.57 as free. That $3.57 is free money because it was never counted as a reward earned, and it popped up in my account last week on like Monday or Tuesday, which was really random. So I had a $0 subtotal. I did get back $5 for spending $20 on all in Snuggle, $4 for the Revlon, and I did get back my $6 for the Covergirl. However, I rolled it into my second transaction. So my second and last transaction on this account was the Huggies that were buy one get one half off, spend 20 get 5. I had the $2.50 digital. I rolled $16 in extra bucks with a subtotal of $2.48, but I did get back my $5 extra buck, and I will redeem to coupons.com, the app, for another $2.50 reimbursement for the second Huggies I did not have a coupon for. So like I said, no issues on those accounts. Just today, I think it was just because some things in store were a little pricier or a little cheaper than expected than I figured. So that probably threw off the amount that I was counting towards my spend 30 get 6 off. And then, yeah, we just had that reduced value. It's going to bug me until I figure it out. But I know I'll figure it out when I start editing and going back and seeing what I did. But anywho, we grabbed lots of products today. Diapers, laundry care, hair care, all the goods, makeup. Between both accounts, all 4 transactions, everything would have cost $176.78. That's just sale price, which is insane. Out of pocket between both accounts, for the subtotals plus extra bucks rolled, but not counting the beauty bucks because that's free money, I never count as reward earned. $57.44 between extra bucks and subtotals in both accounts. We got back a total of $47 between both accounts in extra bucks. I submitted to Ibotta for $8.30 back, 10 cents for any receipt, 60 cents for each of the Head & Shoulders, $5 for the Revlon, $1 for each of the Huggies, and I believe that was it. So $8.30 back from that. I will submit to the coupons.com app when I get home for $2.50 back on the other Huggies that I had no coupon for. And then from Fetch Rewards, between all of my receipts, all 4 of them, a total of 11 cents, so 110 points, which is still something. So in total, like I said, $176 worth of product. Today, the final cost is completely free and a 47-cent moneymaker, which I think is superb, especially for diapers and laundry care. I have just been loving the beauty bucks. I like when we do those, when we have those promotions. Now, granted, they get kind of repetitive and boring after about the second weekend, and it lasts for 4 weeks, but I don't count them as rewards earned. So when it comes time to get those rewards, I immediately want to use that and splurge on household and diapers. And that's something we always need more than I need hair care. I mean, so it was a good day at CVS, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed shopping along with me. Let me know what deals you're doing at CVS this week. I'm sure there's plenty more that I probably just did not take advantage of this week. It's just up to the CRTs, you know? So that is that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.